Hey, good morning. Patrick Loda with MarineMax, Somers Point, New Jersey. Today we're on the 2025 Sea Ray 290 SDX Outboard. This particular one is powered by the upgraded white 250 V8 Merc Verados. The gray interior is your stone interior. You'll see that here as you walk through, which is really nice on this style boat. Sea Ray stayed very consistent, so you're not walking on top of all the cushions. Great sun pad back here. This is a great sandbar boat, dock and dine, just kind of tooling around. As we enter the cockpit of the boat here, again, great for entertaining. You have a nice L lounger here, has a base right here for a table that will set up. You have additional seating over here with storage. This will have plenty of room for all your gear. Nice wet bar here with a fridge, and then this also has a little cooler storage right there. Has a sink right here as well. And this is also a great prep area. This has the white tower on here, so this is manual. You just flip these back, so if you had to go under a bridge or something low lying, you can collapse it down. Very heavy duty. Nice bimini top up here. Pretty easy to collapse. Use the knuckle here, just kind of collapse it in. Upgraded stereo speakers, Fusion, so this way when you're really out there cranking out your tunes, having a good time. You have another lounger right here. So again, this will increase your lounger here on the port side of the boat. Your flooring here is called an infinity woven vinyl. Really nice, very easy, very durable, keeps the feet cool, comfortable. Make sure you pull it out, wash it down, let it dry when you're ready to put it back into the boat. Come up here to the helm area. Everything's with the digital dash now. Nice Simrad 12-inch unit. It's your GPS chart plotter, sounder, all your engine data, everything's all in here. Very simple touch screen, digital throttle and shift, and of course your joystick piloting. Makes docking a breeze. Anybody out there knows what that's like. And also with the skyhook feature, hold the boat in place like if you're getting dock lines, going to the fuel dock, anything like that. Step up here. So they also too, Sea Ray does a nice job with this. Very nice embroidered. It's a gray vinyl, so this way it keeps the sun, it keeps that glare down. Come over here to the port side. Nice step down vacuum flush holding system. Whether you use it or not, it's great storage, but nature calls, you can have your privacy to take care of business. Small little glove box here. You notice too, there's also grab handles. It's a very well thought out boat. Come on up here through your walkthrough now. Now they also have a wind gate here. Collapse this. This way it keeps some of the elements off you as you're pulling around. Very easy to maneuver. Tons of storage on this boat. Come on up here to the front now. Armrests here. You have cushions that'll lift up here. It's all finished too. It's not just carpet. This boat also too is featured with a windlass. So if you are a sandbar person, look at that. Nice, and it's the upgraded stainless anchor rope chain. Remote up here, very simple. And it's also too, you can kind of shut the lid here. And you also have a forward shower, so get any of that mud off of the boat. You also have plenty of leg room. I'm pretty tall, so check that out. You have all blue LED lighting around here. Another optional table that's set right here. So this is, you want to get out on the water, you want to spend that great time with your family, friends, water activities, everything. This is the boat. You should come check this out. You want to see this boat or anything else, give us a call. Patrick Loda, MarineMax, Somers Point, 609-926-0600. See you on the water.